Zara, can you do it?
I also was welding at 7. I don't think that would be an activity that would be allowed to.
Zara, you want to go next? Good one, Chase.
Oh,
Whoa, Zara, that was high.